Well, hey family, happy Monday. This is Darlene. I'm working on tie-dye beads. So these are some of my tie-dye hand-painted beads. And these are just some of the colors right now. And then I'm going to, oh, and here's some right here. Real pretty colors. And I am going to work on probably some darker colors and some brighter colors like with reds, orange, greens, and some other colors. But really quick though, I'm getting a lot of emails regarding the fair.com information. So be sure to watch that 5 minute video that says apply for fair.com. So you'll get the particulars before you even email me. When you email me, you have to have a website. That's one of the stipulations with fair.com. You do have to have a website. So if you don't have a website, then that automatically eliminates you. You wouldn't be eligible for selling wholesale on that platform. So you do need a website. And also, if you want me to refer your brand, I would need your email and your website address. But by me referring you, it does not make you automatically eligible or approved to sell on Fair. It only speeds up the process a little bit by me referring you. So you do have to go through whatever that little process is, and you do have to have a website. All right. And this is what we're doing. Oh, I just been busy all weekend. I had a 4-day weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So today, and I am going to get a lot more work in before this evening is over. And I'm going to work on some different color tie-dye. Like I said, reds, oranges, probably some brighter colors and darker colors, but these are actual tie-dye. I wasn't really sure how I was going to do them when I first painted them, because I wasn't really sure. I'm like, okay, I want something tie-dye, but I'm not really sure what to do. But then I actually figured it out, and I really like the way, move my little sticky. I really like the way they came out. These in particular. So these look better than these only because these have the oil-based gloss on them already. So these look a little bit more vibrant than what these do. And they do look, a little bit faded because they are tie-dye. And then once I put that oil base on them, they should look just as pretty as these beads right here. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Joy by BDK, and we'll talk.